Hello, good afternoon. Today is Thursday and I do have just a quick fill-in grocery haul. I went to Walmart today just really fast because I needed to get some birthday stuff because Ariel's 5th birthday is coming up in a couple weeks, so I just wanted to start stocking up a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and show you my grocery plan. Like I said, today's Thursday, the 12th, so we're going to have steak sandwiches tonight. We're going to have that with onion rings. And probably mandarin oranges as well. Tomorrow we're going to have chili rellenos with a red salsa and then some rice. And then Saturday we're going to have guacamole chicken with some kind of potatoes. I'm not sure if I'm going to do oven roasted or mashed potatoes yet, or twice baked potatoes. Sunday night we're going to have island pork roast. I found that on Pinterest with some mashed potatoes and, mixed veggies and rice. Monday, I'm not sure what I want to do yet. I have chicken legs, chicken thighs, or chicken breasts, so something with chicken. And then Tuesday, we're going to have cabbage rolls and mashed potatoes for St. Patrick's Day. Wednesday, we're going to do breakfast for dinner. I'm probably going to make either eggs or omelets, hash browns, sausage, and fruit. And that's it so far for this week. So over here, to get started, I have some coconut water for the girls. This is just a punch flavor. They really like that. And then I also got some of these crispy Alexa onion rings. They're the panko and sea salt. These are really good, and they're not as bad for you as the other kind. I'm sure they're still bad, but not as bad. And then I also just grabbed these. These are, I think, brat buns. Let's see if it'll focus. Brat buns. They're just on like the clearance cart at Walmart. And I get those for the steak sandwiches. I just got some mixed veggies just to have on hand. I got some lean ground beef for the cabbage rolls. Some of this shaved steak, and this is what I'm going to make the Philly steaks with. And then just some chicken breast just to have on hand. I'm also just going to pound that. What's the matter? Be nice. And then I got some provolone cheese from the deli. This is going to be for on top of those steak sandwiches. Just got some of this organic garlic. Normally I cut my own garlic and do everything myself, but sometimes you just don't want to do it. So I've tried garlic before and I did not like it. So I'm going to see, this kind of looks a lot different though. I tried it a couple years ago. So I'm going to see if this makes a difference. And then just some cream cheese. I'm going to use this for some cucumber sandwiches. Just some stick butter, just have on hand. Some guacamole. This is one with stuff in that chicken. I don't like this guacamole to eat with chips. I only like to cook with it. And then baking soda, just have on hand. Some grits. I've never had grits before, but I'd like to give them a try. Panko, that's what you rub the chicken in, coat the chicken in after you stuff it with that guacamole that we're going to have. So over here, just got some of this, dark pumpernickel bread, just the little sandwich size things. And I'm just going to use this for the cucumber sandwiches. And I got some of these. These are new to me. Banana bread English muffins. Sounded really good. So, let's see how those are. Then I've got some tomato sauce. That'll be for the cabbage rolls. Some of these garlic parmesan pretzel crisps. Those are really, really good. Kids are fighting in the background. And then some mini eggs. These are the Cadbury Easter eggs. These are my favorites. So, and they're Ariel series and stuff. And for her birthday, we got some blue velvet cake back here. It is going to be a frozen theme. So, we got the blue cake, and I got the blue frosting and the purple just to go with it. And then I'm also going to make puppy chow, and I found these white M&Ms, which would be awesome for frozen puppy chow for her birthday. And then I'm going to make cupcakes instead of like the cake, and I'm going to carve out the middle and put these in, so there'll be like little mini snowballs inside the cupcakes for the frozen. I think that'd be cute. Just children's ibuprofen, just have on hand, because I'm completely out, and a couple of kids in her class are sick, so you never know. And cabbage for the cabbage rolls, a nice big one. Then this was also cool. I needed some Italian dry dressing mix for the cucumber sandwiches, and this came with a one of those glass crulettes. I don't know what I'm going to use it for yet. Obviously, I'm just going to need the dry mix, but hey, same exact price as the other stuff, and why not? A big old pack of fruit oatmeal. The girls love this for a midnight snack, so, well, it's not midnight, but you know what I mean. Bananas, I already got into those. Cucumber, bell pepper. Oh boy, they're starting to fight. It's definitely nap time in this house. Cucumber, a bell pepper for the steak sandwiches, just tomatoes, just having tanks. I put them in everything. Jalapeno, same thing. And then I got these nice poblanos. These are going to be for the chili rellenos. And then the cucumbers, I could go through a bag of those in probably like 2 days with the girls. They love cucumbers. They just like eat them like a giant pickle, I guess. So that is everything on my Walmart haul today. Like I said, this is just to get me through a couple days. I still have a lot of stuff on hand. I really just wanted to stock up on frozen stuff and thought of some quick dinner ideas. So thank you for watching, and thumbs up for more grocery hauls.